Welcome to our Moros and Cristians festival, the moment of the year that is filled with color, music, and joy. The streets come alive with majestic parades and dazzling troops. The dresses, with their exquisite details and bright colors, reflect the love and craftsmanship of an entire town. Every step, every movement, is a celebration of creativity and pride. During the emphasis, you can feel the excitement in the air. Performances are filled with passion and drama, which connect us to the courage and unity of our community. Here, the emotion is experienced intensely, and each gesture tells a story of strength, bravery, and hope. Gunpowder and fireworks fill the sky with light and sound. Each part is a spark of joy, an explosion of light that lights up our festive nights. This festival embraces the soul and brings together our friends and family. In every smile and in every look, we feel the warmth and hospitality that define us. It is time to share, to open our hearts and live moments that will last forever. The Moros and Cristians Festival is more than a celebration. We are an explosion of life, an invitation to feel a dream together. Welcome to Ontinyent. Welcome to our Moros and Cristians Festival.